Right here, as soon as you can see it pretty well. This is a video that was made on 5/16/2017. Now the time is I think the time is a little bit off by an hour because I haven't set this camera for daylight savings time that kicked in a while ago. But right now, this is a video that hasn't started yet. It's at the very beginning. I just brought it up. It's me being inside the La Jolla post office. Now there's actually two videos, one after this one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press play, and then I'm going to hold the sound, the speaker from the camera to the phone. I want you to listen for gang stalk being said and possibly even suck my you-know-what. Okay? Now, I'm going to start playing it right now. This is like a raw attempt, okay, to prove that it occurred in the post office. So I'm pressing play by using my thumb to press the play button. Okay, you can see it's not playing. Okay.